Let's walk through the Single Social Benefit Calculator. Decree Law 166 of 2026 merges 13 separate non-contributory supports into one payment, and it takes effect on the 31st of December, 2026. Two rules decide the amount, and both of them surprise people, so let's see them working. First, the household's net earned income per month. Let's take a single parent earning €300. Second, any other household income, such as a pension or rent. We leave it at 0, and the difference between these two boxes is huge. A euro of pension cuts a full euro off the benefit, but the first €107.43 of salary are fully disregarded, and above that, only half counts. That is the Article 28 work incentive. Third, the number of minors in the household. 2 children. And here is the second rule that surprises people. This household counts as 2 equivalent adults, not 3, because the applicant weighs 1 and each minor weighs only a half. And fourth, other adults besides you. None. Below the numbers, we leave the increase selector on none, which is the ordinary case. The benefit comes out at €440.86 per month, €5,290 a year. Look at how it gets there. 2 equivalent adults give a base of €537.14. The work incentive adds €203.72, and only then are the €300 of income subtracted. Of that salary, only €96 actually cut the benefit. Had it been a pension, every euro would have been cut. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.